Hi everybody, welcome to Hobbies Diary. It's been a complete year and I'm so happy and so glad to be back on YouTube. I had almost completely lost the hope last time when I recorded the last video. I thought that maybe this is the last time recording because college started and things just juggled up a little bit. Not just a little bit, they juggled up a lot and it was very hard to keep up to all of them at the same. So today's video is something really interesting. It's a light box. So light box have been really fascinating to me personally. And I did something in my first year that I really got inspired by. That before you start to make this tutorial or you try to make the same thing at your home, then please download the two motifs from the description down below. I have attached two images that I've made for you guys and you can go and download it from there. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget you can give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it. And if you want to comment, put out some suggestions, tell me this could have been better, or you like this or that, then don't forget you can also comment it down below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you really liked it, and also subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, watch this video, try and make it. If you do make it, share it with me on my social media handles that are also on my YouTube page. You can go and check them out. So thank you for watching once again. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.